Good afternoon, children. This is Hanman sir here. In the previous class, we are discussing about triangles. So today also, I am going to take you on the same topic. So here we have one other theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So it carries 4 mark for your annual examination and your midterm examination. Okay. So it is very important for you. There is a application sums regarding the regarding the theorem. So basic proportionality theorem states that see the given statement. So Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem states that if a straight line is drawn parallel to side of a triangle, then it divides into other two sides are proportional. Right? I'll repeat the statement once again. So the basic proportionality theorem states that if a straight line is drawn parallel to side of a triangle, then it divides into other two sides proportionally. Okay, according to your textbook, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. According to your textbook, the basic proportionality theorem states that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay. So by definition, we can draw a figure. So the diagram of this theorem, see here ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. So BC is the straight line and DE is also a straight line. BC and DE are the straight lines. So see, according to statement, so if a straight line is drawn parallel to side of a triangle, so the given side is BC, right? So we need to draw a straight line. Yes, straight line is drawn parallel to, see this is so here BE is parallel to DE. BE is parallel to DE, right? So a straight line is drawn parallel to side of a triangle. Here DE be the straight line. DE be the straight line which is parallel to BC. Right, then it divides into other two sides. So the other two sides are AB and AC. So the straight line DE divides the other two sides AB and AC into a proportional, right, in the same ratio. So according to statement, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem states that if a straight line is drawn parallel to side of a triangle, then it divides into other two sides proportionally. So this therefore we have a data in triangle ABC in which the line parallel to the side BC intersect other two sides AB and AC at point D and E respectively. This is the given data. Okay. So next we need to prove that according to statement, if a straight line is drawn parallel to side of a triangle, then it divides into other two sides are proportionally. So the given proportional sides, the sides are AD by BD, which is equals to AE by EC. So we need to prove that AD by BD and which is equals to AE by EC. Next, we have construction step. We have a construction step. So that is draw DN perpendicular to AC and EL perpendicular to AB. Join BE and CD. So here, see, draw DN perpendicular to AE. DN perpendicular to AC and EL perpendicular to whole side AB, right? So here DN is perpendicular to AC and EL is always perpendicular to AB, and join BE and CD. Join BE and CD. Okay. So next we are going to do the proof. Under proof we have a statement and reason. So under statement, see area of triangle ADE which is equals to area of triangle BDG, right? So area of triangle is proportional to the area of triangle BDG. So we know that area of a triangle is half into base into height, half into base into height, that is area of triangle, right? So area of triangle is half into base into height. So here the given triangle, so the given triangle ADE, right? So area of triangle ADG, this is ADG. Okay, so area of triangle ADG, so half into here base is AD, right? Base is AD and its height is EL, and its height is EL, because we can by construction EL is perpendicular to AB, right? So the area of triangle ADG is half into here base is AD and its height is EL. Okay, then come to this triangle ADG. Triangle ADG. This is the triangle A. This is triangle BDG. BDG, right? So is it audible to you, and is it visible to you, children? Okay. Similarly, we have a triangle BDE. So we know that the calculation of area of triangle is half into base into height. So here see triangle BDG, right? Triangle BDG, here half into base is BD. Here base is BD and its height is EL, because EL perpendicular to AB. So here also we have a height EL. So the base is BD and its height is EL. EL. Okay. So therefore triangle AB, area of triangle ADG which divided by area of triangle BDE, which is equals to half into base is AD into EL all divided by half into base BD into EL. So here half into half and half gets cancelled, EL and EL gets cancelled, EL and EL gets cancelled, then the remaining is AD by BD, AD by BD. Call it as equation number 1. Similarly, we have a triangle, area of triangle ADG and area of triangle CDE. Okay. So here, see, this is a triangle. So here I am going to take AE has the base, AE has the base and DN is the height, right? So we need to apply the for area of triangle formula. So we know that area of triangle formula, area of triangle is half into base into height, half into base into height, right? Half into base into height. So here see in triangle, area of triangle ADG, here AE is the base and its height is DN, right? So area of triangle ADG which is equals to half into base is AE into height is DN, height is DN. Similarly, we have another triangle. See, this is a CDE, right? This is a CDE, CDE. So here we have a base EC and its height is DN, because by construction DN is perpendicular to AC. this whole base, its height is dn. So here dn is perpendicular to AC, so that in triangle of ADE here, if we can take base is AE, then its height is dn. If I take in triangle CDE, here EC is the base, then its height is always dn, right? According to area of triangle, so we know that area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE, so half into base is AE and its height is dn, all divided by half into triangle ACDE. So area of triangle CDE, here we can take base is AC, then its height is dn, that is area of triangle CDE half into EC into dn. See, EC is nothing but C. There is no difference between these two. Okay, EC is the same for CA. Okay, so here half into half gets cancelled, dn and dn gets cancelled, then the remaining terms is AE by CE. So that area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE equals AE by CE. Call it as equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and equation number 2, we get AD by BD, which is equals to AE by CE. Because of area of triangle BDE is congruent to triangle area of triangle CDE. So this is for symbol for congruence. So we know that congruence means if two triangles are said to be congruent, all the three sides and the three angles of one triangle are equal to corresponding three sides and three angles of other triangle. So here we have same sides are proportional, so the area of triangle BDE is congruent to area of triangle CDE. So by definition, so basic proportionality theorems states that if a straight line is drawn parallel to side of a triangle, then it divides into other two sides proportionally. So the other two sides are proportionally. Here we get by equation number 1 and 2, we get AD by BD, which is equals to AE by CE.